Hi students, last time we have discussed about environment and examples for environment and definition. Today we are going to discuss about components of environment. There are three types of components: natural, human and human-made environment. Okay, what is natural environment? It's made by nature. Okay, examples you can observe: land, water, air, etc. Human environment means to live human efficiently and its convenience purpose only it's created, like individual, personal, family, community, religion, education system, economic system, political system. So this all made for our convenience. That's why it is called human environment. And what is human made environment? Human only made this all. Okay, build this like buildings, roads, bridges, industries, monuments and parks. Means to make our lifestyle successful, human itself created this. So that's why it is called human made environment. So these are the important three components of environment. And you can observe through the pictures what are the components of environment. Once again you can see natural environment, nature, oceans, trees, river, water. Here human made bridges, buildings, temples, parks, hotels. Human environments, relationships, religion, community, family, personal life, education, economical. Okay, this all comes under human environment. Okay, let us discuss each and everything. What is natural environment? Okay, so once again I am explain what is natural environment. Means it's made by nature. Okay, it's created by nature. Nobody involved here. Okay, two types of natural environment: biotic and abiotic. What is the meaning of abiotic? The non-living components, the non-living things that are called abiotic. Example: land, water, air. Biotic means which have life. Life is there, breathe, they will grow. Example: plants, animals, birds, etc. Okay, and we have to discuss about domains of environment. What are the domains of environment? There are four important domains of the environment. Number 1, lithosphere. Second, hydrosphere. 3, atmosphere. 4, biosphere. Okay, what is lithosphere? Solid portion of the earth. Okay, solid portion of the earth is called lithosphere. What is hydrosphere? The area covered by water, that is called hydrosphere. Hydro means water itself. Atmosphere means gaseous layer. Biosphere means land, water, air. These are found together. That place is called biosphere. Means living organisms. Okay. Through the picture you can see what is the domains of the earth. So one by one I am going to explain. First one is lithosphere. Litho means land or solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth which we live. Okay. It is made up of rocks and minerals. Lithosphere is made up of rocks and minerals, okay, and covered in thin layer, and its irregular surface with various landforms such as mountains available, plateaus are there, plains are there, valleys are there, etc. So this all comes under lithosphere. Lithosphere provides us lands, forests, grasslands, minerals, etc. So this is about lithosphere. Lithosphere means a solid crust or hard top of the earth layer. Clear? What about hydrosphere? I said already. Hydrosphere means water. The area covered by water is called hydrosphere. So much various sources of water available, where rivers, lakes, seas, oceans, glaciers, etc. Hydrosphere comprises water in all its forms, like ice, water, and water vapor. So this is all about hydrosphere. Hydrosphere means water. The area covered by water is called hydrosphere. Let's go for atmosphere. What is the meaning of atmosphere? The atmosphere is the thin layer of the air that surrounds the earth. Okay, the thin layer is not visible for us, but it's a thin layer, it surrounds the earth. The gravitational forces of the earth holds the atmosphere around us. Okay, what we see around the atmosphere is there itself because of the gravitational power. What it do? It protects us harmful rays from scorching heat of the sun. Sun produce the harmful rays. Okay, scorching means producing or full of poisonous. What it produce, this all avoid. atmosphere abide. And what is there inside the gas? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. Okay, dust and water available inside the what atmosphere or the air. So once again, what is the atmosphere? The thin layer of the air of the earth. Okay, that is called atmosphere. Let's go for the last pair of the earth is called biosphere. The narrow zone of the earth where land, water and what interact with each other to support life. So water, air and land, all three interact each other and depend upon each other and they support each other for the life. Okay. And also part of the earth where life exists. Where is life exists? In the forest, on the land, in the water, so much animals, birds you can see. Okay, that is the land for all the life. That's why it's called biosphere. Okay, what is the biosphere? Narrow zone of the earth where land, water and air interact with each other. That's all for the day. Next time we have discussed about ecosystem. Thank you so much.